this is an all hazards agency, right? So tornadoes are one thing we look at, weather obviously, but school violence, right? Protection of schools, protection of infrastructure. So the water we drink, the power we have, that's part of my job, protection. County courthouses, government buildings, events, hazmat spills, and then of course, evacuation. So there's a lot of focus on the weather side, but there's the terrorism side, prevention side, protection side. It's a pretty complex job. I needed a place to finish my degree, so I kind of looked around and looked at different schools, and I realized that Simpson had an adult education program, which worked at night, which worked for me because I work full time. So I think that the number one thing that I liked about Simpson was it was small classroom sizes. The teachers were really interactive, and the best part was I could go to my counselor if I needed something. It was kind of the total package, and it wasn't easy, right? Because it's school, but it was given to me that I can do this and still do my full-time job and still get a quality education. So that's why I appreciate it. I wouldn't have this job if I didn't have my education, right? And I always tell people that that's one thing that can't be taken away from you is education. You can lose your job, you can lose a lot of things, but your education will always follow you. I would say now's the time to do it. I mean, why wait? You could always say, I can wait till next week, but next week turns into a year. And then you're like, I wish I would have got my degree. Just take the time to go do it now. And you'll be happy that you did.